and welcome back to my channel, Jen Beauty. I'm doing something a little bit different today because we've had some sickness in our house and I haven't been feeling really well. And my youngest here has had the sniffles and an ear infection, so we're just doing a beauty room cleanup. My girls both really wanted to help me clean it up and take some videos, so I hope you enjoy. There's kind of a mix of just sped up cleaning with music and some click clacks. I'm just gonna sit back and let you enjoy the chaos that ensues as my girls help me. I'm just kidding. They were actually a huge help, and I don't know that I would have gotten anywhere near as much done without them. And also our cats supervising from the windowsill, as they do best when I usually do my makeup. I hope you enjoy. Here I am just organizing my little beauty cart that I keep next to my vanity in my beauty room. I have several mascaras that were possibly bothering my eyes, so I went ahead and pulled those to either declutter or try at a later date, and then pulled in my tried and true Tarte mascara that I knew wouldn't bother my eyes. For anyone that saw my TJ Maxx haul, you saw that I got these cute little pink bins to organize my furniture in the back of my beauty room. So this is what I'm doing here, and I really like how it turned out. Let me know what you think. And that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more makeup and beauty related content from me, please hit that subscribe button. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day wherever you are. Bye.